That was Fidor Bank, a revolutionary online bank that aimed to shake things up in the financial world. But if you're trying to open an account with them today, you might be out of luck. Let's dive into the story of Fidor Bank, where it was located, and what happened to this innovative financial institution. The rise of the social bank, 2009 to 2015. Back in 2009, Germany witnessed the birth of a new kind of bank. Fidor Bank wasn't your typical brick-and-mortar establishment with long lines and stuffy tellers. It was a fully online bank, built for a tech-savvy generation. But what truly set them apart was their focus on social interaction. Fidor Bank integrated social media features into their banking platform. Users could connect with each other, discuss financial topics, and even earn rewards for being active in the online community. This innovative approach aimed to create a more engaging and transparent banking experience. Munich, Germany, the birthplace of Fidor, 2009 present, smiley face. Fidor Bank wasn't just an online entity, it had a physical headquarters. The bank was located in Munich, Germany, a major financial hub in Europe. Munich is known for its cutting-edge technology scene, making it the perfect location for Fidor's forward-thinking approach to banking. While Fidor Bank didn't have traditional branches, their Munich headquarters housed the team that made it all happen. From developers crafting the online platform to customer service representatives providing support, the Munich office was the heart of Fidor's operations. A bold move to the UK, 2015 to 2019. Fidor Bank's success in Germany didn't go unnoticed. In 2015, they decided to take their unique banking model across the English Channel and set up shop in the United Kingdom. This was a bold move, as the UK banking landscape was already quite competitive. However, Fidor Bank believed their focus on social interaction and a tech-driven experience would resonate with British customers. They launched their UK operations with much fanfare, hoping to replicate their German success. Acquisition and uncertainties, 2016 to 2019. While Fidor Bank was making waves in both Germany and the UK, a significant development occurred in 2016. The French banking group, Groupe BPCE, acquired Fidor Bank for a reported €100 million. This acquisition raised some eyebrows. Would Groupe BPCE maintain Fidor's innovative approach, or would they integrate Fidor into their existing banking structure? Initially, Fidor continued to operate under its own brand, but uncertainties lingered. The curtain falls on Fidor Bank, 2019 to 2023. Unfortunately, the uncertainties surrounding Fidor Bank's future materialized in 2019. The bank announced the suspension of its UK operations, citing market uncertainties. This was a blow to Fidor's international ambitions. Back in Germany, Fidor Bank continued operating for a while longer. However, in July 2023, the news came down: Fidor Bank would be ceasing operations entirely. This marked the end of an era for a bank that dared to be different. The legacy of Fidor Bank. While Fidor Bank may no longer be around, its legacy lives on. They pioneered the concept of social banking, integrating social features into the financial services experience. This innovative approach undoubtedly influenced other banks and fintech companies. Fidor Bank's story is a reminder that even the most disruptive ideas can face challenges. The competitive banking landscape and the ever-evolving financial regulations make it difficult for new players to gain a foothold. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.